sound is calming. Yeah, we like, you know, those sort of sounds where it's just.
Yeah, hope it keeps the parkour feeling better. Yeah. The snoozer has been kind of stopped up whenever we wake up, so that's not good. Yeah. But are these the stories that we brought today, Moko-chan?
No, that's just.
No, is this the kind of stuff that Purifier story?
Yes, air purifier story. Yeah.
Wow.
That's what you're here for, right?
Right.
Air purifier.
The ice, the fridge ice, making a humming. See,
No,
hopefully it's ice doesn't make a humming. It makes it terrifying, like a sound all of a sudden. Yeah.
Usually later at night, cause you're probably supposed to be sleeping then.
Yeah.
But around midnight, 1 a.m., that's when it starts making the ice.
Yeah. And it doesn't make it like a regular pattern
No,
either.
and then a moment later, just you're like, what was that? Huh? Yeah.
It's so hard. And you're using
then
something.
We just have to remind ourselves that it's okay. It's just the IceMaker. It's just fine.
Liquid, but definitely many times we're looking. What was that?
Monster!